Deep in the heart of the Dima Hasao district, nestled on a picturesque ridge, lies a small village with an enchanting allure, Jatinga. This hidden gem in the northeastern state of Assam, India, is renowned for its allure and the captivating mystery that surrounds it. The bird mystery. Something inexplicable happens in Jatinga, something that has perplexed scientists and locals alike. Birds from far-flung places flock to this village with a mesmerizing charm, only to meet their untimely demise. It's a phenomenon so perplexing, so baffling, that it has earned the ominous moniker of the Valley of Death for birds. The enigmatic spectacle unfolds during the late monsoon months, between September and November, when nature weaves a tapestry of fog, clouds, and mist as the evening darkness descends. Between the hours of 7 p.m. to 10 p.m., as an eerie event takes place, birds plunge to their deaths. In the past, villagers attributed this strange occurrence to malevolent spirits haunting the skies. They believed that only certain species of birds, those that offended these vengeful spirits, were brought down to their doom. Their fears were rooted in superstition, a desperate attempt to make sense of the inexplicable, but the advancement of science has paved the way for a deeper understanding of this unnatural phenomenon. Many dedicated ornithologists have relentlessly devoted their time to researching this haunting mystery. Their efforts have revealed astonishing discoveries. Even local bird species, such as kingfishers, pond herons, black bitterns, and tiger bitterns, exhibit this strange behavior. Through extensive studies, scientists have unraveled the truth behind Jatinga's avian tragedy. It appears that these birds commit suicide during their migration due to the loss of their natural habitats. As the late monsoon floods most of the water bodies in Assam, these disoriented birds find themselves with no choice but to embark on a perilous journey, searching for new grounds to call home. Tragically, Jatinga falls right in their migratory path, leading to their catastrophic demise. The year 1988 witnessed a devastating flood in Assam, leaving the land submerged and these winged creatures in dire straits. It was during this period that Jatinga witnessed the highest number of bird suicides ever reported. As nature's wrath unleashed its fury, the birds found themselves trapped in a cycle of desperation and helplessness. Interestingly, not all migratory birds are affected by this phenomenon. Some long-distance travelers, defying the odds, gracefully navigate their way through the perils that haunt Jatinga's skies. Today, the bird mystery of Jatinga continues to captivate the world. Scientists are still grappling with the ultimate explanation for this bewildering spectacle. Despite the passage of time, this unnatural phenomenon persists, leaving us with more questions than answers. Jatinga, with its scenic mountains and ethereal beauty, hides a dark secret, and a secret whispered by the wind and echoed by the birds that meet their perilous fate. As dusk falls, the stage is set, and a mysterious dance unfolds. The Valley of Death for birds beckons, ensnaring them in its timeless enigma. Every year, in the small village of Jatinga, a peculiar and eerie phenomenon takes place. As the sun begins to set, hundreds of birds descend upon the village, only to fly straight towards buildings and trees, crashing to their deaths. It is a sight that both bewilders and frightens the villagers, and they have come to regard the arrival of these birds as a gift from the gods. Curiously, most of these doomed birds do not attempt to fly away after landing near the lights. Instead, they appear dazed and disheveled, perhaps due to the trauma of their shocking experience. It is this disorientation that makes them easy prey for the villagers, armed with bamboo poles and catapults. They bring down the birds hovering around the light sources. Even those perching on trees and bushes nearby are not spared. Contrary to popular belief, these birds do not commit suicide. Under circumstances not yet fully explained, they become caught in the fog and wind, getting disoriented and seeking solace in the light sources put out by the villagers. In their flight towards the light, they often collide with trees or other objects, resulting in injuries. It is this injured state that makes them vulnerable to the villagers' actions. Extensive studies have been carried out to unravel the causes behind this phenomenon. Records show that a total of 44 bird species have been attracted to the light sources. Interestingly, it has been established that the birds are only drawn to a specific strip of the village measuring 5 kilometers in length and 200 meters in width. They come exclusively from the north, and attempts to place lights on the southern side of the ridge have proven ineffective. Furthermore, it has been noted that no long-distance migratory birds are attracted to the light traps. Only resident birds of the adjacent valleys and hill slopes fall victim to this peculiar behavior. The locals have been witnessing this phenomenon from September to November for the past couple of years. It is a predictable and repeated occurrence, limited to the 5-kilometer strip of the village. Despite the villagers' efforts to trap these birds, they continue to arrive every year, seemingly unaware of the fate that awaits them. While various reasons have been suggested by researchers, the true cause behind the Jatinga bird suicide phenomenon remains unconfirmed. However, it is important to note that Jatinga is not the only place in the world where such strange bird behavior is observed. Similar occurrences have been documented in areas like the Philippines, Malaysia, and the state of Mizoram in India. The mystery surrounding these incidents only adds to the allure and intrigue of Jatinga. The villagers may never fully understand why these birds exhibit such behavior, but they are grateful for the opportunity to witness this otherworldly spectacle. As the birds continue to journey through the valley, the villagers will be waiting, ready to capture the essence of this enigmatic phenomenon.